Because it's a 2.9 inch and storage is higher, bigger. So bigger storage and bigger display. So for sure, the price initially will be around $399 initially.
Thomas Kuhn with Wirtschaftswoche. I learned that the new kid on the block with Microsoft's operating system was Windows Vista, and that Windows XP ought to be phased out over time. Now there's a brand new device with a pretty old operating system coming. Is it just caused by the fact that there wasn't enough memory available, and how does it fit into the Microsoft strategy to replace XP by Vista?
My microphone on? Yeah. Well, in our current situation, the hardware requirements, what we have on the EEE PC, in combination with Vista, did just work together. So we couldn't, go the Vista route, for the product. We are in, close discussions, with ASUS, and how to take that, going forward, and we were very close, with ASUS, in regards of also what our strategy is, for this, new product category, what we see, what is, establishing, out there in the market. And that also goes then into the, Windows 7 timeframe and into the, development of our new set of operating systems, what we are moving on at the moment.
Could you explain it clearer? Will Windows 7 be on a high-end machine running as well as on an XP PC?
No, the point what I wanted to make is that we work together with ASUS to determine also the direction for the Windows 7 timeframe in regards of how to Microsoft should address the ultra low cost PC and mobile category.
Sascha Barnleit, BBC News. One of you guys just pointed out the 3E concept. In my opinion, when we're looking at this market and we're really aiming at children's, etc., and don't you think that the Xandros Linux, that pre-installed easy mode, was one of the main arguments for this market or for this potential customer to buy the PC? And don't you think it might be kind of difficult for them to switch over to an ordinary desktop operating system when we're talking about a mobile device?
Okay, I think, sorry. Okay, I think actually we also try to provide easy mode of the Windows easy mode in maybe May, June timeframe. So we hope the easy mode will be released in Q2.
Let me just add this. I mean, Microsoft has the Origami project running for about 3 years right now. Why is there no kind of evolution of an Origami operating system or front end on a mobile device like the EPC, which would fit perfectly, and just having a Windows XP Home desktop, which in my opinion doesn't fit for a mobile device at all? I mean, we see photo galleries. Do you really think that people are editing their pictures on a 7 or 8.9-inch display?
Well, I think, first of all, the Origami, that was, an ultra mobile, category what we were working on. It was not related to ultra, low cost. It was the ultra mobile category. So I think, I would not, mix the two things up here first. The second one is, I think it was shown here also during the conference here. Internet is one of the dominant usage scenarios for this device. And when you combine now a EEE PC together with Windows Live, you get a lot of your usage scenarios through the web. So I think the kind of thinking, what I call the old way of thinking, doesn't necessarily fit into this new world that much anymore. So I think the combination between the device plus the software and services, what comes with it. So you have to look into this from a complete picture perspective, and therefore I think the combination, what we are trying to draw here, doesn't really fit from my perspective.
May I? Okay. Luděk Kogáš from mobile.cz. I'd like to ask actually 3 questions. First is, will there be ePC with built-in HSDPA available at any time? Then the second goes to T-Mobile. T-Mobile will now start offering the 701 ePC. What about the brand new 900 series with Windows? And the third thing connects to the 900 series. How much will actually cost the Windows version? Because we've heard the confusion about Linux and Windows both in the PC. How much will the Windows cost?
Can you repeat for the first question again?
HTTP embedded possible. Whether HTTP embedded.
For the data portion, actually from we will have the second generation iPhone 9, and we have more built-in module that can be like this module, like a HTTP, and also like 1X. Okay. So I think we will release in Q2 also.
Okay, let me take the second question then. Regarding the 701 or plus the 900, we start off, as you said, with the 701. But of course, this is a partnership we've just announced, and I guess we will also explore together other families in the ASUS EEPC world. Yeah.
And for the price, data, I think will be very small, how small, and we work together, and based on the same configuration, I think will be less than, for sure, will be less than $50. The same configuration.
Okay, last question.
Yes, hello, Hartmut Giesemann from CT Magazine. I wanted to know what is the resolution of the new bigger display of the 900 model. Is it the same as in the old one, 800 by 480? And then will we see a model with Bluetooth enabled? And third question is about the power consumption of the new 900 model. Will I be able to, will it last for 3.5 hours like the older model, or will it be lower, higher? What is the power consumption?
Okay, and first of all, for the power consumption, and the difference is only the panel. So panel will be around like 1 watt more. So if you have the experience for the battery that time, you will experience almost the same, a little bit short, but almost the same battery that time. Yeah, this is the question. And the second one. For this 900, we try to improve some features, like a camera. Camera originally we used 300,000 pixel resolution, and the new one we try to use 1.3 megapixel. So some improvement, not only the panel and the storage size, we think the camera is also important, so we use the 1.3 megapixel. And that's the question mark.
But display resolution will be the same.
The resolution is 1024 by 600.
So higher resolution.
From 800 by 480. The 7-inch one is 800 by 480. This is the screen resolution, and the new one is the 1024. That's the standard. Internet use the 1024, so it's not necessary for the pen.
Yeah.
It's not necessary. So only those four.
But no
So,
Bluetooth.
huh?
No Bluetooth.
No.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth. We have the Bluetooth one in layman. Yeah, we have the color in layman.
Okay, thank you. Let's close this press conference. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.